So when we talk about the pursuit of excellence and attracting and retaining our top talent and the best talent, we also have to compel the agency toward growth and change and development. And diversity, equity, and inclusion is one of many resources to ensure that we are collectively growing as an agency and as a system. Conferences of this nature are exactly what our system needs as a foundation for our staff to come into a safe space, to learn more, and then ultimately to grow more and to provide more for our communities.
It's impactful. I think the current workforce, the future workforce, and the people that we serve in the community, I think they want to see representation of themselves as far as diversity, equity, inclusion. We can all lead from the spaces that we are in. Just being at this conference and learning how we can do that and growing in so many ways to do that helps us create environments at our local district courts and just in general for people to feel comfortable being themselves.
It's essential because we really, as leaders, we need to make sure we have the healthiest, most equipped organization possible. We can't do that unless we're willing to look outside of our own biases, outside of our own lens, and see where there's talent that maybe we're not seeing otherwise. If we think in terms of this diversity, equity, and inclusion model of how we do everything that we do, we bring in the best people to make sure we give the court the best possible results.
One of the benefits of our system is that we're a national system, so I get to meet people that do similar jobs, but from across the country. And so just that diversity of experience is beneficial to meet people.
It's an opportunity to hear about DEI initiatives across our system, to hear from our leaders within the system as to their experiences with DEI, and of course, to hear from experts across the nation on their DEI experiences as well. DEI is integral to a successful workplace. And I think if you implement DEI initiatives, it brings about a wider perspective from your officers, whether that's for problem solving, new ideas. It boosts creativity, it increases morale, it reduces turnover, all of which builds a stronger foundation for your organization.
No, I think it's important that we understand what's going on and what we're here for and how we're doing it. I think we have to continually examine equity, examine equality, examine diversity. And again, it's not just a sometime thing, it's gonna be an all the time thing. And I think when people really look at that, equality is about making sure everyone has the resources they need to succeed, then we get accessibility, then we get diversity, and then we can get inclusion as well. It's imperative that everyone understands that this process regarding DE&I, it's not just a program, it's not even a movement, it's more of an ability.
As a DE&I and leadership conference, it's a good reminder that we have such high aspirations to go out and affect change and to be a support system for someone else. But in a public service industry, we really do have to also take a step back and focus on our basic needs. What do we need to rejuvenate? What do I need to be doing introspectively to make sure that I'm the best leader that I can be? And when we can see each other and we can value our differences and we can respect the experiences and the backgrounds that we all collectively bring into this space, we're doing that. We're building bigger, we're building better, and that's just gonna heighten the future for the people that are coming through the judiciary.